Zero is the most dangerous number that almost destroyed mathematics forever. Ancient civilizations literally feared it so much, they refused to acknowledge its existence for thousands of years. Think about it. Every other number represents something tangible. 5 apples, 3 coins, 10 fingers. But zero represents nothing, and that concept was so terrifying that the Greeks completely rejected it. They believed nothingness couldn't be a number because numbers had to represent actual quantities. The Romans built an empire without zero. Their entire numerical system had no placeholder for nothing. Try doing basic multiplication with Roman numerals, and you'll understand why their mathematical progress stagnated. Meanwhile, ancient Indian mathematicians were revolutionizing everything. Around 628 AD, Brahmagupta didn't just accept zero, he gave it rules. He showed that zero plus any number equals that number, and zero times anything equals zero. These weren't obvious concepts back then, they were groundbreaking discoveries. But here's where it gets wild. When Islamic scholars brought zero to Europe in the 12th century through translations of Indian texts, Christian authorities banned it. They called it the devil's number because it represented the void, the absence of God's creation. Using zero could literally get you accused of heresy. The resistance was so strong that European merchants had to use zero in secret for centuries. They do their calculations privately with these forbidden Hindu-Arabic numerals, then convert everything back to Roman numerals for public records. Without zero, we wouldn't have calculus, computer science, or modern physics. Einstein's theory of relativity depends on mathematical concepts that require zero as a foundation. Every smartphone, every GPS system, every digital transaction relies on binary code, which is essentially just zeros and ones. The number that represents nothing became the foundation for everything we consider modern mathematics. Sometimes the most powerful ideas are the ones that seem completely empty.